Hello everyone. Today we're going to explore a magical journey from tiny eggs to healthy little chicks and golden eggs on your table. This isn't just a story about life. It's a journey filled with love, modern technology, and the dedication of hardworking farmers. Stick around because you'll be surprised by the fascinating secrets behind every delicious meal. Before these adorable chicks come into the world, they start as top contenders in a beauty pageant for eggs. Only the best eggs are chosen to enter the incubator, where they spend 21 days receiving special care at a steady 100 degrees Celsius, rotating regularly to ensure optimal embryo development. This is the first step in the magical journey of life. And after 21 days of waiting, the little angels finally arrive. But before they step into the big wide world, they need a quick vaccination, an important step to keep these little ones healthy and strong. After their shots, the chicks head to a temporary resort to rest and grow. Here they drink from the Big Dutchman nipple drinker system, 5-star luxury no less. The water is clean and the system keeps their living space dry and tidy, making sure these little guys stay healthy and ready for their next big adventure. Now it's time for the chicks to enter the next phase, getting ready to become superstar egg layers. At this modern farm, they're pampered with a top-notch diet and expert care. Not only do they get delicious food, but they also bask under high-tech lighting that keeps them healthy and happy. Let's see modern technology in action. Automated systems gently collect the eggs, handling each one as if it's being carefully cradled. Every hour, thousands of eggs are harvested, and the quality? Absolutely top-notch. After harvesting, these eggs head to their spa day. First, they get a thorough wash to remove any tiny specks of dirt. Then they go through a meticulous sanitization process to ensure they're absolutely safe. But wait, there's more. Each egg is carefully inspected under bright lights to check for any imperfections inside and out. Finally, these egg superstars are carefully packed into trays, neatly organized, and ready to make their debut on your dining table. Every step is taken to ensure that each egg is perfect, adding something special to your breakfast. And for the chicks that weren't chosen to become egg-laying stars, don't worry. They embark on another important journey. From the temporary nursery, these chickens head to broiler farms. Think of it as a 5-star resort. Here, they grow in a clean, safe environment with all the food and care they need to become healthy and strong. In these modern poultry processing plants, every step is carefully controlled, from slaughtering and cleaning to packaging. The advanced technology here ensures not only top-notch product quality, but also the health and safety of consumers. Each year, millions of tons of chicken are produced, contributing to a rich and safe food supply for families everywhere. But that's not all. Chicken is also a superfood. High in protein, selenium, and vitamin B, chicken stands out compared to other meats like beef or pork. It's lower in saturated fat and calories than beef and offers lean protein with less cholesterol than pork. With its mild flavor and tender texture, chicken is the ideal choice for everyday meals and special occasions alike. It's no exaggeration to say that chicken is an essential part of a balanced, healthy diet. Thanks for joining us on this journey to discover how modern technology has transformed the way we produce eggs and chicken. Don't miss the chance to learn more about the latest methods, processes, and technologies in this industry. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our exciting new videos. See you in the next one.